If you don't learn how to earn while you sleep, you'll work until the day you die. Masakit pakinggan, pero totoo. Most people are trapped in a cycle, work, get paid, pay bills, and repeat. Walang masama sa pagtatrabaho. Pero, ang problema, kapag tumigil ka sa trabaho, tumitigil din ang kita mo. That's why, learning how to earn while you sleep is no longer optional. It's survival. This isn't about pagiging tamad. It's about being wiser with your time, energy, and future. While others spend their nights scrolling, some are building online businesses, investing for long-term income, and learning skills that pay even when they rest. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to be awakened up to start. So ask yourself, are you working for money or is your money learning how to work for you? Start building your freedom today. Even one small step is still a step forward. Your future self will thank you.